guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Vshow Hair. I have worked with them before, so they are not new to my channel. And right now I'm just showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So they sent me some stocking cap, which I am wearing one, and their information card with their social media handles and also hair care. So like instructions on how to care for the hair. The wig that they sent to me, it is a gray highlighted wig, 30 inches. They said it's 250 density, but to be honest, it felt like 200. I'm just being honest, I think it's 200 density. So 30 inches, 200 density, gray highlighted wig. Honestly guys, you see those white lines in the wig? Those are like from the gray highlighted parts. So how this wig is made, they actually, like, I feel like they get the gray, they highlight the gray parts, and then you know how they do the any method that they use to attach your hair to the lace. I felt like they actually did the highlights first, the gray parts, and then attach it to it. So it's almost like you have 613 hair in between your 1B hair. So when you're bleaching this wig, you have to be very careful, and you can't leave it on for long. Just because, you know, you can't really bleach 613 hair because it's already lifted. If you're supposed to bleach it, then it will make your hair fall out. And like I said, because this highlighted part was almost like 613, when I bleached it, yeah, a little bit came out. So when you're bleaching it, keep that in mind. Do not keep it on for long because it's almost like you're bleaching a 613 hair again. Anyways, so I went in and I added my foundation on my stocking cap and also on the wig, and it is the Ruby Kisses or Kiss Cream Foundation, contour cream foundation, whatever, but I used level 9 in it, and I put it on my stocking cap like I said, and also on the wig. Whatever foundation you have, you can do it, or if you have the even tinted lace spray, you can also use it. I just need to re-up on it because I don't have any more. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I, you know, install this wig. I didn't do anything out of the ordinary. It's just literally with my glue, my little side part, and I did do fluffy baby hairs. So yeah, overall I actually love this wig. I had no problem with it. The only thing, like I said, is the fact that you can't really bleach, like leave the bleach on the knots for too long because you have like 613 hair in between. So that's a little tip that you have to take into consideration, or else your hair will fall out. And if you're like me, I like leaving my bleach on my hair for like at least 40 minutes to make sure it is bleached and processed properly. Don't do it. You have to leave it for like 20 minutes the most, to be honest, because yeah, it will start coming out. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch as I do this install. And if I need to see anything, I'll probably jump in here and there. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think I did anything out of the ordinary. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys whenever.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So remember when I was saying not to over process the hair or not to leave the bleach on the hair for long? This is what will happen if you do. So in my part, you're going to see like a white patch in it almost, because it came out, like I said. So this pen, you could find them on Amazon. It's good for like when you over bleach your knots and you have orangey hair and the part is wide because the knots are over bleached. It's good for defining the parts. And I think it's a gray hair pen, that's what it's called. So you could always go on Amazon and you can find them, or if I could find them somewhere else, then I definitely will do that. But it's on Amazon though. Like, I got it from Amazon. It's so good. It really helps when you over bleach your hair and you know you want to make sure the parts or whatever the parts are defined, or if you have one part, you want to make sure it is defined. So to do that, you need one of these pens. Like, even at the front part right here, you see where there's this little patch. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use it as well, and it does wonders. So yeah.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple does into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. You saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So guys, this is pretty much the final look. All I'm doing right now is just straightening the hair, making sure everything is intact, because you know sis has to be on fleek. Okay, I absolutely love this hair though. Like, I always wanted to try the gray highlights because I've seen people doing it, and I'm happy that I got to try it. Thank you, Vshow Hair, for sending me this wig. Honestly guys, since recently I've been saying this, I love the comb out baby hairs. Like, look how cute that looks. Like, let me know, you know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave in the comment section what part of this video was your favorite. Let me know if you actually love this hair. Let me know if you're actually going to try it. And yeah, if you guys know of any styles that you'd want me to try as well, definitely you can put it down in the comment section and I will for sure go through and see which ones I could try from which ones I can't try, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.